guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ray. Been a while since I posted something. Listen, I got a quick DIY how-to, very simple. As you can see, guys, in front of you, I have my GE refrigerator. And if you guys can notice, I'm missing a handle down here. This handle goes right here. Now, if you guys have this type of refrigerator with this handle down there, it's a known problem with this version of GE model that the connection point that holds this handle constantly breaks or comes off. And it's this piece right here. All right, I hope you guys can see that. All right, I do a little screenshot of the GE part. It's screwed in this location right here, and some reason or another, it just, when you pull on that handle, the tabs breaks off. So this, again, a quick video, nothing too complicated. Just want to share my experience with it. I end up ordering another piece. Now, guys, I put a link of this particular part number in the description. If you click on that link, it does support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it if you do use that link. So end up ordering another one from Amazon. All right, and this is the replacement piece. Now, as you can see, you see by the old one, these parts here constantly breaks off. So I suggest order an extra pack, because this refrigerator is notorious in piece breaking. This is the second time I'm replacing it. I believe they had a recall. They redesigned this to make it a little more stronger, or stronger plastic, but it's gonna fail, and it is what it is. All right, so very simple. Order it, and it's just simply using the Phillips screwdriver, putting it in and putting it back in its spot. So let me show you how I'm doing it. Okay, again, putting it on, all you need is a simple screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and you'll notice we have these little tabs here. I hope you can see that. It's just gonna go in this spot right here. Very easy to put it on. Just line it up and get your screwdriver and screw it in. And just do it on the other side, and that's it. And this is how you replace fastening point for this refrigerator. All right, I'm gonna go over here and do the second one. Very easy fix. Don't know why these tabs keep on failing, but they do. All right, I guess the way we pull the handle off the, as we pull it out. But these tabs are notorious in failing on this GE model refrigerator. So, and as you can see, it's just a little slide part. All you're gonna do is just line it up and slide it over, and now it's locked in, and your refrigerator is fixed. So that's simple. Check out the affiliate links for that part number to replace this, and that's it, guys. So have a good day. Please consider like, subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one. Later.